Let's say you hold one legitimate $20 bill and one counterfeit of that same $20. If you were to try to spend both the real bill and the fake one, someone who took the trouble of looking at both of the bill's serial numbers would see that they were the same number and thus one of them had to be false. What a blockchain miner does is analogous to that. They check transaction to make sure that user have not illegitimately tried to spend the same Bitcoin twice. This is not a perfect analogy. We will explain in more detail below. Only only 1 megabyte of transaction data uh, fit can fit into single Bitcoin block. The 1 MB limit was see the Satoshi Nakamoto, and this has become a matter for controversy because some miners believe the block size should increase to accommodate more data, which would effectively mean that the Bitcoin network could process and verify transactions more quickly. Why mean Bitcoin? In addition to lining the pockets of miners and supporting the Bitcoin ecosystem, meaning serves and other vital purpose. It is the only way to release new cryptocurrency into calculation. In other words, miners are basically minting currency. For example, as of March 2022, there were just under 19 million bitcoins in circulation out of a total of 21 million. Aside from the coins minted via the Genesis block, the every first block which founder Satoshi Nakamoto created. Every single one of those bitcoins came into being because of miners. In the absence of miners, Bitcoin as a network would still exist and be usable. But but there would never be any additional Bitcoin. However, because the rate of Bitcoin mint is reduced over time, the final Bitcoin were not calculated until around the year 2140. This does not mean the transaction will case to be verified. Miners will contain to every transaction and will be paid fees for doing so in order to keep the integrity of Bitcoin's network. To earn new Bitcoins, you need to be the first miner to arrive at the right answer or closest answer to a numeric problem. This is a process also known as proof of work, POW. The being meaning is not start egging is in this proof of work activity to find the answer to the puzzle. No, no advanced math or computation is really involved. You may have heard that miners are solving difficult mathematically problems. That's true, but not because the math itself is hard. Why actually? Why it actually doing is trying to be the first winner to come up a 64-digit hexadecimal number, a hash that is less than or equal the target hash. It is basically guesswork. So it is a matter of randomness, but with the total number of possible guesses for each of these problems numbering in the trillions. It is incredibly arduous work, and the number of possible solutions referred to as the level of meaning difficulty. The increases with each number that joins the meaning network. In order to solve a problem, first miners need a lot of computing power. Now in successful, you need to have a high hash rate, which is measured in terms gigahashes per second (GHz) and terahashes per second (TH). Aside from the short-term payoff of newly minted bitcoins, being a coin winner can also give you voting power when changes are proposed in the Bitcoin network protocol. This is known as a Bitcoin Improvement Protocol. Bitcoin approval protocol. In the other words, winners have some degrees of influence on the decision marketing purpose for matters such as forking. The more hash power you process, the more votes you have to cost for each enti- entities. How much a winner earns. The rewards for Bitcoin mining are reduced by half roughly every 4 years. When Bitcoin first mined in 2009, meaning one block would earn you 50 Bitcoins. In 2012, it was half to 25 Bitcoin. By 2016, this was helped again to 12.5 Bitcoin. On May 11, 2020, the rewards had again to 6.25 Bitcoin.